like one who is in evil lordship, and finds no mercy nor choice with his lord, but rather he robs and takes him. He would like to change from his estate to a lord who would have good custom toward him. Thus I wish to change from her dominion, from her who has killed me in her lordship, and I seek another who has never done wrong, and her body is gay and beautiful and true, and she loves me much, but not as a courtly lover. Vassalage that I dare tell her my heart nor my desire, nor will I do so as long as I have my sense. But may God give me such evil that I go mad, that I tell it to her openly and plainly. Otherwise I am not bold enough to tell her. Such fear I have that the beautiful company I have with her might distance itself from me or take itself away. But may no priest ever come there, that he would ever catch me doing it for anything alive. I am foolish and do such folly as he who was captured for a long time and escapes and then goes seeking such a thing that he is put back in prison. Thus I go seeking my own harm, for I had escaped from suffering and folly, and I want to return where love kills me. But one good among 100 is so sweet to me that I do not remember any suffering I ever had. Here is all the best that truly exists in love. To take me into his guidance, so that I dare to say before her safely my heart that I have hidden from her, and that she would not change her heart toward me, nor make her fair solace while to me. If love wanted to give me this guidance, never would any man sin against me, that I would not guide him as far as my power extends, and with the guidance I would make him good lodging. Such a covenant love I would make with you. beautiful lady, my eyes are your messenger. For nothing in the world is so pleasing to them as you, lady, and all your kin, and those who are of your noble lineage. For I have kissed many eyes and many faces, because they seemed of your company. And I have made many a pilgrimage, for which I never prayed God to help me with that. But for you, lady, that He would put it in your heart, that you know how I love you without deceit.